subconscious. I'm finally able to stream. I tried streaming yesterday, but my upload speed was dog shit. While my download speed was fine, I couldn't stream because of the upload speed. Today I checked it and it's 100 megabits, so I can finally stream. And well, I haven't really missed much, because, well, yesterday I was just doing a bunch of tedious work on checkpoints. And the tedious work includes just basically writing down, save this position, load this position, save his health, load his health, save this thing, load this thing. You just have to write all the shit down for everything you want to save. So it's not really hard on the logical side, but it's just a lot of code to write. I think I got like 600 lines in the script. It works though. Well, not really. Tomorrow I tried, yesterday I tried to launch it once again to show to my friends and it crashed. So let's see why it might do so. So yeah, here's my testing area, where I can test saving breakables being destroyed, doors being open. I can also save my health, my ammo, my inventory. For example, I have 8 current ammo in the pistol and I have 300 health. I take damage, I have 280. I move some props. Just like this, my hands are still disappearing, but that's whatever. And then I hit the checkpoint, hit F9, to load it again, and everything is still the same. Although it may seem like it's an easy task, but if I don't properly load everything, it will just be the same as if I had started the scene again. Now you can see everything stays in the same place, even the props. Even if I, for example, take a grenade and roll it on the floor, drop it on the floor so it rolls, it will still save its velocity. Which was surprisingly easy to do. Like, for example, here, I drop the grenade and it rolls around, I hit the checkpoint, I press F9, and it still maintains its velocity, it still rolls on the ground. And also the checkpoints get saved, so yeah, this checkpoint is no longer activated. Actually, now that I think of it, I can change this button to be one shot and change the signal, one shot pressed, to activate this checkpoint. Goddamn. This is the time that I realized that I have built a very modular game where I can just connect signals to stuff. For example, I just have a button and I have a checkpoint and I can enable it back by a single press of a button. Because this checkpoint is one shot. Once you hit it, you will no longer be able to activate it again. As you could have seen it becoming like transparent. But with this thing, I can change toggle monitoring, which is toggle, well, listening for collisions. I can change it back, so enable, just like this, just with a single button. And I don't need to do any coding for this. I can just push stuff, connect signals, and it will work. Like right here. I can show it to you. Like for example here, I have hit the checkpoint and I can no longer hit it. I will clear the output for now, but if I press a button, it doesn't work. Epic Games. Why is it so? One shot, toggle disabled. Why is it not working? One shot, pressed. Emit signal, one shot pressed. Try pressing, if not disabled, one shot emit. Well, what's the issue? Why is it not working? Interesting. Fuck, it was crashing yesterday. I don't know why. I think it was because of the other trigger. Okay, let me see. So I hit the checkpoint, it's no longer activated. Rooms, starting room, checkpoint. Yeah, it's not really working for some reason. And the button is not a one shot. Repeatable, I mean. I needed to set it to repeatable. Yeah, the button is pretty simple, like, if the button is repeatable and it's not disabled, then emit a one-shot press signal, disable the button, update the sprites to represent it being disabled, and then just wait for the timeout duration and enable it back again. That's pretty simple. And the button shouldn't be that complex. Okay, let's see again. Strange. Oh wait, didn't I... It's not connected anymore, what? Did I connect the wrong button? No. It just disconnected. Okay. Go to source. Checkpoint. Toggle monitoring, bool, true. Connect. What? It's not connecting, bitch. Cannot connect a one-shot press. The provided callable is not valid. What do you mean it's not valid? Why is it not valid? What? This is my first time seeing this shit. Hold up, let me do something real quick.
Too heavy.
But alright. Okay then. I think I accidentally called the callable when pressing as an argument. What? No. What? One shot pressed. Go to source. Checkpoint. Toggle monitoring. Oh, so now it's connected. But I can't add this to it. What do you mean it's not valid? Trigger area. I don't get it. Why can't I pass an argument? I am adding a boolean. Why can't I connect? Oh, so this one I can. But the fucking... point. This is so dumb. Why can't I connect it? You bind the value or pass it while meeting. Well, maybe I need to change it? No. Fuck's sake, it has always been working before. Why is it not working anymore? I know one shot pressed has no boolean parameters attached to it, but why? I can't pass my own argument. Still open. Cool. Yeah, is valid. The fuck is valid? Hold up, I'm reading. If there is any error in my script. But there is none. What do you mean errors in my script? There are none. There are no errors. There are no errors here. Fuck. If I give it a default value of false, will it work? You never know. Toggle monitoring. Okay. I'm killing myself. What fucking errors? There are no errors in the script. And I don't have any errors here. Like, fuck it. Let's do a stupid thing. For example, checkpoint. Dot toggle. What was it? It was toggle monitoring. Dot connect. Or do I need to connect? No, I need to connect a signal first. So it's gonna be one shot pressed dot connect. Fuck. Connect to this. And fuck, I don't remember how do I do dot bind. Global bind. Then the copy of this call be when one or more arguments bound. I keep forgetting how to do this. Connect. Is the bind. Call different. Also function dot bind and parameters, okay. Toggle monitoring dot bind. Well, fuck it, let's make it true, for example. What do you mean on base no instance? Oh yeah, because it's... Yeah. Let's make export var bbb, and it's gonna be a boolean, false by default. If bbb, then do this. And you're gonna only make it on this button, bbb. So now it fucking connects. Oh, so now you connect. Then why the fuck can I connect you manually? Bro. How the fuck? But I can't do this manually. Checkpoint. Oh my god. Why? What's wrong with it? Why can't I pass any arguments? Godot 4.3, but... Oh, fuck it, I don't want to deal with this right now. It's not like I need it, really. Let's move this shit. Anyway, I need to add a couple stuff to the checkpoints. I mean, two things that need to be saved. Well, for now. For later there are gonna be a bunch of other things to save. But for now, well, first of all, I think it was because of this. Like if I hit a checkpoint, press F9. Yeah, okay, it crashes again. Why is it so? So it tries to queue free on a null instance. That instance being... What is it trying to queue free? Checkpoint controller, last checkpoint data, to free, What exactly is it trying to... Oh, so trying to remove noded path M67. Was there an M67 grenade? But there was no M67. Does it mean the actual like thrown bomb thing? Hold up. Good, don't shit yourself. Remote. New level children, let's see. Also, I do need to actually add this, where I throw a grenade. On detonation, throw. Where was it? New grenade. No, it's add child. Oh, here. If parts in, new grenade drop prefab instantiate. Else new grenade bomb prefab instantiate. So if parts in, then we need to save it. So if parts in, after we add it here, if parts in, then we need toolref dot get main new new level children dot append new grenade. Also, I think it's gonna be broken because try picking up weapon here. Freed objects. I think it will be better. It will be better if. So this is for deciding if we have picked up something from the ground that was already there, or if it's a weapon that we have thrown and then picked up. So if toolref dot get main main dot new level children that has self. Oh, it's not self, it's actually get path. Right? Oh, and also here new grenade dot get path. So it's only if we are not throwing a bomb, because if you're throwing a bomb, it's gonna detonate and there is no point in actually saving it. So if we already have this thing, so let me comment it out. If this dropped weapon was not was instantiated. So yeah, if this dropped weapon was instantiated instead of already being there in the level editor. Like if we dropped a weapon or thrown a grenade with the parts in, it's gonna be instantiated, it wasn't here before. So if this is the case, if we have it in new level children, so this is for children that have been instantiated, then we just remove it from there and don't add it here, because there's no point. Toolref get main new level children dot erase get path. Oh fuck. So yeah, okay, like this. Else, so if this dropped weapon was not instantiated, then we add it to freed objects. And I think I need to it's a repeatable code, so I guess I'll put it into a function. Func update fuck, how do I call it? Delete. Let's call it like this. So we're doing all this, and then we do q3. So instead of calling q3 every time, I can just call delete. Yeah, okay, this looks much better. Okay, let's see now. Now, if you go to the level, so new level children is now 0. And also I don't know why freed objects is already 2. Why is it like that? Dropped them 9 and dropped grenade. Oh yeah, because I picked them up, of course. Okay, it's correct. Then, for example, I throw this grenade on the ground, and it's now inside new level children. So because it was instantiated. Also, why shouldn't this be a path? Oh no, because new level children Right, new level children I save... Wait, hold up, I don't get it. A new level children. Append. Oh no, actually I need to append, not get path, but the actual new grenade. Okay. So new level children contains the actual packed scenes. While the... what was this list? While the freed object list only contains the paths. Okay, so I just forgot how it was. So new level children, I throw this grenade, it's now inside new level children. And if I go to pick it up... why does it gets added to freed objects? Bro. Oh, yeah, because I don't need has self. Then erase self. Oh my god. Okay. Mode. New children. Let's see. It's now there, then we pick it up. Cool. Okay, now if I even throw a grenade, it's gonna be counted the same as if I dropped it. So I think now if I just do this. Why is freed object size 3? M67, the grenade M67 dropped in 9. Is M67 the actual... No, hold up. Doesn't need to get removed. Why would it be? Append. It's for new level children. Well... What? Let's see, Toref. Append. Hold up, Ctrl-Shift-O, M67. Bomb M67. Also, it's just this M67. Well, yeah, it doesn't need to be on the list, actually. Bomb. No, why would I want it to add to 3D objects? I don't want to. No. I don't know why I was saving a thrown bomb on the ground, actually. Kinda stupid, because it's gonna explode anyway, why do I need to save it? Okay, now it should be fine. So, if you look at it, hold up, 900, two 3D objects, because I picked them up, then throw the grenade. 3D objects is still 2, and I don't have my hands, but that's whatever. The button is pressed, hit the checkpoint, F9, and it doesn't crash the game. Okay, so this stuff works now. As for what should I do today, is hiders and animations. I need to add them to the checkpoint system. So, sometimes I actually forget that I have a thing called room hiders, which is this one. It hides the room that you haven't been, that you haven't explored yet. The rooms, I mean. So, for example, now it's completely dark, and I will have to move it a bit because I have modified the level, but anyway, you open the door, and it reveals this area. Then you open this door, it reveals this area. Then you hit trigger, and it reveals this area. And all of that shit. So I need to save which checkpoints are hidden and which are not. How do I actually do this? Reveal hider from trigger. Reveal hiders. What do I need a collider for? I don't need a collider. Oh, I actually need a collider because... yeah, because it's kind of screwed. In the terms that I need to have a zero an argument on in the first place, and then hider names because of how signals work, whatever. So this is not used, but it needs to be here. So I guess how can I do this is reveal hiders. What does reveal hiders actually do? It just... so revealing them, it just modulates the alpha. So I guess I can just hide hiders. So yeah, I think I can just save this array, and then for each object in this array, I can... yeah, hiders has no hider name. So yeah, I can just change the alpha for all of them. And that's basically it. Okay then, so let's save this bitch. Actually, hiders, I need to have information about hiders inside the level. So, where is it? Level. Let's add an export. Hold up, I'm doing my variables wrong. Export var hiders. No, I mean room hider. Room hider. Type of room hider. And all I need to do is just assign this bitch here. And now all I need to do is just write a save and a load function. So I don't need this one. I think I will just copy this because it's fairly short. So save buttons data, save hiders data, and actually I need to add it here. The free is still gonna be the very last thing. Var hiders Dictionary. Is it a dictionary though? I think no, it can be just an array. And I think it's just an array of names, right? From Hider. Yeah, Hiders has no Hider name, so it's just an array of strings, basically. Animations and to free, okay. Decals, shells, ragdolls is for another feature. Where was I? Oh, here. So, save Hiders data. First of all, we rename this. Finish saving Hiders data. So here, instead of doing a for loop, I will just okay. So I can just do new data dot hiders dot append, and I'm gonna append to ref dot get level dot, it never gives me a fucking hints, get level dot room hider dot hide hiders dot duplicate, and that's basically it. Also, fuck, it's getting hot in here because I'm drinking coffee. Anyway, hold up, let me check something real quick. 1 second. Un momento. Okay, where's my OBS? Oh, here. Anyway, back to cooking. So, new data hiders append. So we just duplicate the array, and after that, just do nothing. I mean, I can do a for loop. For hider string in all of this shit, print plus plus hider plus is hidden, and I don't need any of this shit. So this is literally it for hiders. So then I just need to add it to the stack. New data equals save hiders data. New data. Goddamn. Okay. So you just basically duplicate an array, and that's it. We can actually see this now, kinda. It won't load or anything, but it will save them, and we can see it in... for fuck's sake. We can see it in the console. That actually would be cool to kinda write my own console for the game. Anyway. Okay, so let's see now. We revealed this room. not hit the checkpoint, and it kills itself. What do you mean invalid get index from hider on base node? Oh, because I need to get main, not level. Of course. What? Oh. Anyway, let me change the darkness, I mean the hiders real quick. So this is corridor 1. I need it to be just... like this. What? What? Oh, I'm erasing. Why is it? What? What? Okay, let's just leave it like this. Anyway, should be working now. Fuck. Okay. Boom, we reveal this room, and turn to assign value of type array to a variable of type string. What? Oh, not append, I mean equals. Fuck. It is still this mix, yeah. Okay. Go. Trying to assign value of type object to a variable of type string. So it's not nodes, it's objects anyway. Hider dot name. Let's see now. Okay. And you can see here, starting to save hiders, hider corridor 1 is hidden. I mean, it should be the opposite. Is... what should I call it? Is revealed. So yeah. So it works now. Then all I need to do is just load this bitch. Func load hiders data. And then just add it here. Load hiders data, print. Now, for the hiders data, it's kinda a bit different to what I'm used to do. So, we're gonna make a loop once again for hider in last checkpoint data.hiders. So for every hider, I just need to set hider.modulate .a equals 0. So I set their alpha to 0, and then I also add them to the So to ref, let me just save hiders and just get this one, hide hiders. To ref, I mean get main room hider, hide hiders. Oh, no way I got this playing. Oh, so this is where I heard this. I've learned about the song Gorshit Boiler. I learned it from General D's mix. Got them. Append list. Append array, I mean. And array is last checkpoint data dot hiders. So that's pretty much it. I can just copy. Just copy this. Hider is revealed. That's basically it. Fuck, my fucking eyes keep. They're so. Not sleepy, how do you call it? I gotta look up the translation, hold up. Слипаются. Yeah, they stick together on the edges. Even though I washed my face and eyes and everything, but they still do this for some reason. Anyway, so we revealed 2 rooms. If I hit a checkpoint, it shows that here hider corridor 1 is revealed, falling ceiling room is revealed, and above falling ceiling room is revealed, which is true. You can see this, and that one are revealed. Now if I hit F9, we get an error. Cool. Another does modulate on base previously freed. What do you mean previously freed? Why are they previously? Oh, because I need. Yeah, I see. I need them to be paths to nodes instead of actual nodes. Right. Okay, so save hiders data. No, it's not duplicate. Actually, need to make a loop for hider in com hider hide hiders duplicate. Okay. Not duplicate, hide hiders. So for every single one, I'm just gonna do new data dot append hiders dot append hider dot get path. So we save paths to the nodes, and then when we load them, for hider last checkpoint data hiders, we can do the same thing with this one. So okay, so we're doing for path in not triggers but hiders. If has path, then whatever else error getting node path. So if the node exists, var hider equals get node path. So this hider, we just hider dot a, I mean modulate dot a equals 0, and then just copy this thing again. This one. Load hiders. And just append this node. Append, how do I say it actually? Hider. How do I actually say append? Let's see. append?
Append.
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 So, guess I was saying it correct, kind of. Anyway, so we append this header. That should be it, I think. So we save the paths, and then we load the nodes at that path, change their alpha to 0, and append those nodes to the list. Let's see. Fine. Cool, epic. Everything just works now. So besides this shadow thing, it's a layering issue. So you can see now that this ceiling is still not fallen. It didn't save the animation. Which is the next thing that I'm going to be doing, is saving animations. So yeah, hiders are done. You can kinda see it now. And I can kill myself. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is done. We can mark it off. Hiders. Now we gotta save animations. I wonder how can I save them? Because... let's see now. What parameters of the animator node animation player I can save? I guess I can just save the animation that is currently being played and the position of the... what is this thing called? Whatever, the timestamp. So I will just save that it's playing the full animation on 0.9 seconds. And it pretty much has all the things that I need. Just toggle monitoring false and reveal hider. Toggle monitoring is for the damage area that is on the ceiling. So when it falls, it kills you. So that is all I need basically. I'm afraid it's gonna be a lot more complex for later parts of the game, where the animations are gonna be again a lot more complex, like destroying parts of a building or something and stuff like that. I don't know. But for now, this is how this will work. So what parameters does this thing have? Open documentation. So I know there's, yeah, current animation. Oh, and current animation position. It has current animation position. So I guess I can play an animation. So this is the name for the animation: custom blend, whatever, custom speed, whatever. From end. Set process callbacks, set blend time. How can I save this? What if I just really just play it from end? Will it play backwards or how is it gonna be? Anyway, let's firstly save a node. Oh no, actually let me just add this animation player to a group. Save animation. Let's call it like that. So it's gonna be save animation. It's gonna be a group number 8. And for example, I'm gonna be saving the current animation. And is there a point to save the current animation position? Because I don't see, like, I can get the current animation position and I can't set it. Playback default blend time, speed scale, set next, get next, get queue, playing pause. And I can't play it from a point from end. What does from end mean? if custom speed is negative and from end is true, the animation will play backwards, which is equivalent to calling play backwards. So it won't. The from end option only affects when switching to a new animation track. Like if the same track but at the start or end. It does not affect resuming playback that was paused in the middle of animation. So I guess I'll just try to play it from end, I guess. Let's see now. So I just need the animation name then. Okay. Hold up. So save hiders. We're gonna be doing func save animators. Some animations. Same thing. New data, whatever. Animations data. Data. So for... Actually gotta copy this again. For node animation player. In get triggered nodes group to save 8. Print saving animation player. Node.get path. Add path. This. So new data hub, whatever. So we are saving this animation player, and we are saving it by. Actually, let me open this one. So we just once again make var new data, and just make a couple variables. So data animation name equals node dot get current, or just current animation. Current animation. Just like that. Current animation. Fuck. Is there actually like a current animation position? The position in seconds of the current point animation. Well, why would I want it? Will you quit to finish? Maybe to sync up animations, I don't know. Animation name. So that's all I kinda see right now. Fuck. Okay, then I just print it out. Animation name. And I think that's it. Then I just load them. So load animations data. Path. Hold up, do I actually save animations? Where's the save animations? Oh, I didn't save it. Wait, it doesn't appear here. Anyway, save animations. Oh. So right here. New data dot animations node dot get path equals data here. Okay then, Oh, forgot to add a comma. Anyway, load animations data. So if has node found, okay, node animation player. Shown player, get node path. Node.play. So first of all we need the animation name, and we're gonna get it from last checkpoint data. Animations path. Animation name. Print current animation equals this. And also, besides the name, we need something else, is that being play, play, so name string, custom blend by default -1, custom speed 1, so -1, 1, true. -1, 1, true. So this should play it from the end, which is what we need. So yeah. Okay, load animations data. Well, I guess that should be it. Let's add it to the stack. Load animations data, print this, and let's see now. So it falls down. It should save the current animation name as fall. Okay. Okay. Hider. Oh, I forgot to add it to the stack. Of course. Save data. New data equals save animations. For fuck's sake. Okay. Now, let's see. Bomb. Almost killed me. You save. Starting to save animations data. Saving animation layer path, whatever, animation name. Finish saving animations data. Checkpoint controller. Checkpoint data. Animations. It's empty. Is it actually empty though? What am I looking at? I need falling ceiling room. Open ceiling. Animation player. Yeah, current animation is empty. Because the fall has ended. We quit and finish. If true and the engine is running in movie maker mode, access the engine with simply quit. Fuck, I think I need to make an idle outside animation. Not outside, I mean an idle animation that plays at the end. So we have fall, we have reset, which is the default position. And I'm just gonna fall idle end. Let's call it like that. And it will only have these keyframes. to check the most important ones. And I just set the time to 0 and make it loop, so it always plays. Fuck, how would it transition to it though? Oh, maybe I can actually call it from the end. Call method. Can you call it on yourself? Oh wait, yeah, you can call it on yourself. Actually play, so first argument is gonna be full idle end. And let's see now. Let's see if it works. Haven't actually done transitions of this sort of kind previously, where you just call the fucking animation player itself so it plays another animation at the end. Never done this before. So where's it? Corridor, no. Falling ceiling room, dropping ceiling, animation player. So now it's playing nothing, it's playing the reset animation. Let's see now. Hit this trigger, it's playing fall, and now it plays fall idle end, and it plays it 24/7. Okay, let's try and save now. Yeah, animation name fall idle end, okay. And let's try to load it. Fuck. Why is it? Trying to assign value of type node to a variable of type animation player. Is it not an animation player though? What, breakable component, what? Oh, I think I forgot to change the group. Or not. Oh yeah, breakables. Animations, I mean. It's always like that. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, I gotta do something with this stuff, like when the player can move the mouse outside and then he doesn't know where he is. I think I just gotta make some kind of a pointer that shows which direction the player is. Like if you move the mouse over here, there will be a pointer right here that says that the player is here. But that's for the future. Okay, so the thing falls again, and why do I get print body? I don't need print body anymore. Okay, and now we try and save it. Animation name fall idle end, okay, F9. Why does it... Health component? Oh yeah, because I forgot to delete this shit. Okay, I can just unpause it, I guess. Execution resumed. Let's see now. Simple as that. It works. Just like that. Remove node, no trigger. Add path. Correct. Current animation fall idle end. Correct. So, goddamn. The checkpoints work now. Epic. I didn't start. Trigger. I think I can make a debug feature real quick. There's the debug menu. Yeah? Debug menu. I can add a debug feature, collision related stuff. I can add a visibility. It's a VBox container, I will expand it if I'll need to. Collision, can I make this into a VBox container? Oh fuck, it broke everything. Or not actually, it didn't, I think it didn't break. Where? Fuck, now all of this is broken. I just want this to be automatic. I've been always like setting this stuff manually, like manually adding this distance between all the panels and all of this shit. I just want it to be automatic, and I know it's possible. Godot. Film overrides, no. Layout. Custom minimum size here. So X should be... it should be at least 400 pixels. Let's make it 405. 405. And Y should be... container sizing, vertical expand. Size fill. Tells the parent container to expand the bounds of this node to fill the available space without pushing any nodes. It's shrink size expand. Tells the parent container to let this node take all the available space on the axis you flag. If multiple neighboring nodes are set to expand, they'll share the space based on the stretch ratio. Oh, now I think it's fine, actually. I just... Yeah, now I think it's fine. I just need a panel behind this. So a panel, just so it can be behind all this shit. B motherfucking G, and it should be at the top of everything. Oh yeah, because it's an H separator. Well then, you can just make it a parent. Layout. Oh, hold up, no. I think I can just theme overrides constants, no separation theme. Fuck, I can't add an image to this. What? Actually, I don't need it to be this big. Alignment begin. Okay, then let's add the panel. It's gonna be behind the collision panel. Okay, like that, and I want this to expand the parent. Grow direction. Flip contents, layout direction, layout mode. Grow direction. Godot, how to make the parent expand to the size of children. Parent control node. Is this from the mix? Or... No, let's enable something else. I guess... Oh, I wanted to listen to this actually. Because I know the game is good, it's like Hotline Miami done right. With correct mouse movements and shit. Because Hotline Miami's mouse movement is still dog shit. It was never fixed. And from what I've seen, this game is like Hotline Miami done right. Autoscale control allows children to fit parent container. No, I want the opposite way. Adjust its size depending on its children, yeah. Might want to change the type of the parent node from control to some sort of a form of container, maybe a center container or box container. Then you have to modify the children. Instead of setting their rect size, you set their rect minimum size. This should do what you want. Okay, so I changed this to a panel container. I don't want to be so bad, but anyway. Container, panel container. Oh, okay. So it just works now. If I add another thing, let me change this to panel container once again. Maybe not actually. Hold up. No, Ctrl Shift Z. Bitch, what are you doing? Ctrl Z. Oh my god. It was working like 2 seconds ago. What happened? Panel. Change type. Panel container. Okay. Then this thing. UI panel. I changed this to VBox container once again. Okay, now cool. Everything is done right. I should change this to debug VBox container box container, and this is gonna be debug panel. So now I need another panel container. It is gonna be in the same position that this one is. Position, copy value. Paste value. So the position is correct. Now I just make it like this, and it kills itself. Ooh. What is the minimum size? I think it's 400 again. 405. Oh yeah, it just works now, okay. So yeah, just like this. I think now I can add just anything I want. So for example, here I have a player thing, and I can add a bunch of buttons, and then I can just duplicate. Yeah, and it just works. Kinda, not exactly. Hold up, I actually need to... This is the container itself. I think I would want them to be inside a... Hold up. I want to make this right. It's actually pretty interesting designing UI in Godot. So I want it to be... so, for example, it's just gonna be inside of a control node. Oh, not control, but container, just a container. So... collision... Let's call it collision. And the collision will contain inside all... Oh, for fuck's sake. If it changes just to control node. Collision. No, it still breaks. Whatever. I think I'll just make it as it always was. Just like this. So this is gonna be triggers. Label. Triggers. Triggers. God mode. Now this is gonna be show triggers. Label show triggers. Show triggers. Check button. Okay. So that's basically it for this. Now I just need to change a couple of things in the script. So instead of this being a collision panel, it's gonna be inside of debug box container. And I need to replace all of the instances of this. think that's actually it, because I didn't change anything, really. Yeah, I didn't change anything. Oh yeah, I changed this one. Panel container. It should be UI panel. And it's actually called UI panel now. But I need to add this to it. Display types, yeah, okay. Should be working now. Anyway, for this one, I need disconnect all, and I need to add new one. On show triggers. So this is region player, region ammo, region global, region triggers, and region. Here. So okay. All I need is in debug tools is to create a new function where godot bool. So I'm gonna add a new one. Region triggers and region. So here I will have func toggle show triggers toggle bool, and I need a variable where var show triggers toggle, and so for trigger in get tree get nodes get nodes and group trigger, just do trigger dot visible equals toggle. That's it. That's basically it. So I just do like debug tools dot show toggle show triggers toggled on, and that should be it. We can test this out right now. So I'm gonna hide all of them. So hide on start, and this one also hide on start. I think this one is hide on start by default. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. Oh fuck. Okay. Button press on base no instance show player collision boxes, and can't find it. Why can't you find it? Debug with box container. Well, yeah, because it's inside of debug panel now. Let's see now. Okay, now it's all done. Okay, I can't see the triggers now, but I can enable them. Cool. So yeah, in theory I can just progress to the game now. Well, what? Oh yeah, I need to enable the hiders once again. Hider. So. Kinda forgot about that. I'm not gonna grab any weapons. I don't know why that grenade just got deleted. Anyway. And no hiders are visible once again, what the fuck? Hiders, visible. Cool. It lags so much. Maybe it's because I'm on stream because I don't remember it lagging that much off stream. Anyway, I can just progress, and I have hit a checkpoint right here. So I guess if I hit F9... Yep, it did everything correctly. Yep. So now I can just progress to the entire thing, kill myself, destroy this thing. Go here. Hit this checkpoint. Actually, let's see how it's gonna save me being crouched. Ooh, current ammo. Oh, because I have a melee weapon, of course. I gotta change it to if player. Weapon origin. Primary weapon is weapon. Only then I save its ammo. Secondary weapon. Okay, and grenade we don't save a grenade. Can I just unpause it? And I'm inside the floor again. It didn't save me being crouched. This is another problem, actually. So, fuck, I gotta add a script to this. I think called level export var. Oh, actually I can add this to the room hider itself. So room hider export var show hiders at start, which is a boolean. By default it's true, and all it's gonna do is just show this hiders. Func ready hiders dot visible equals all hiders at start. This is basically it, just so I can disable them in editor and they will appear later in my ass. Yeah. Anyway. So I can just go here. Oh, I don't have a melee weapon. Fuck. Let's see now. I know right now it has an issue of not saving me being crouched at all. Okay, like I hit it now. I saved, and if I load, yeah, it just gets stuck. I think I need to add the function, so I need to add a variable start crouched, which is gonna make me permanently crouch unless I hit a movement key. Thank you. Dan Fong. Anyway, I'm ready. I'll just add it here. Var start crouched. Boolean. So now crouch, no, in ready I think. Or actually in crouch, because yeah, crouch is always. So if input is input, if input is action pressed crouched, is crouched equals true, whatever. Or start crouched. So either if I'm holding crouch or the start crouch is true, then we crouch. That's basically it. But I gotta put it inside of input or inside of move actually. So direction. I would actually put it inside of input. Okay, where is input? Input here. So this is for dropping weapons. I'm gonna put it up here. Crouch at, start crouched. So if input dot is action just pressed, so either move left. This is gonna be a long one. I think I can put it inside of brackets so I can do this stuff. Yeah. Okay, so input is action just pressed, move left, or and then I just duplicate the shit out of it. Move right, crouch, jump, move up, move down. So move right, move up, I think, and yeah, this is for ladders. Move down, jump. Actually, move up and move down, no, it's only possible on ladders, so I'm not gonna add it. Or action just pressed crouch. So if anything happens from this, then I fuck this. This looks so dumb. Okay, so if all of this, then start crouched equals false. That's basically it. So that's to cancel out starting crouched, which is false by default, but I will write it anyway. Now in checkpoint controller, where was it? Load player data. This is the very first thing I wrote. Start crouched. Here. Crouched. Super. Ctrl-Shift-R. Crouched. Replace all, please. We can actually test this out in the very first room. Right here. Oh no, actually, stop. 1 second. I need to change this checkpoint to save crouched. Oh, it's already saved crouched. Save crouched. My ass. Okay. So he should have been saved crouched. Save crouch true. Let's see, F9. And now I should be permanently crouched. Yep, and I'm permanently crouched. So then... and if I press a key, then I get up. Okay, now the last thing that I would want to change is, well, here for example, I'll move the checkpoint somewhere over here, and I would not save player pause itself. But actually, no, let's save player pause itself. It's just, it's fucked up because this is the position where it tries to save the player, not in the center, right here. I gotta move it to the center. So it's gonna be, I think it's the texture size, yeah, multiplied by the scale. So 32 by 32 multiplied by the scale. Or actually, oh yeah, it's gonna be the absolute size. Okay, anyway. So let's see now. Is it actually 32 by 32 multiplied by 6? How much is it gonna be? Calculator. 32 multiplied by 6 is 192. Well, it kinda looks like it. And it is 192, so the center is gonna be 96, 96, pretty much. Yeah, 192 divided by 2 is 96, right? Okay, so... Save player data. Not area global position, but... so I gotta change it up a bit. Fuck. I think I'll just add a variable to this. Let's make it var center point vector 2. So already center point is equal to, so first we need to get the absolute size, which is goddamn. So texture dot size, get size, multiplied by scale. I think it works like this. So if I multiply vector 2 by vector 2, x gets multiplied by x. I hope. Let's see now. I'll just print it out. Print. Fuck. Center point. We can test this on the trigger area actually, like if I just hit F6. 32 by 32. It's correct. So yeah, because the size is 1, right? If I change it to, for example, I don't know, this, which is, well, let's make it 3 by 1, okay? So it should be 96 by 32. If I hit F6, I'm so close to shitting myself. I would want to go to the toilet pretty soon. 96 by 32. Okay then, and then we just well, first of all, it needs to be a global position plus all of this shit multiplied, no, I mean divided by 2. So first of all, we find the center point by getting this and just basically dividing it by 2, so it's gonna be here. And then we add global position to it. So it's gonna be global position plus this offset. Which right now is just gonna be... so 16, 48, 16 it should be. It is, so okay. I have correctly found the center point. I can actually make it a onReady variable. onReady var, just make it like this. Okay. Should be working now. So then when we save this, instead of getting the area global position, we get area center point. So now, for example, if I save even at this checkpoint, this one, it should spawn me in the center of it instead of in the left corner. Let's see. Okay, let's show the triggers. Hit it. F9. It spawns me in the center. Very cool. Let's really quick go through the whole game like this. Almost got killed by that thing again. Let's just speedrun this bitch. Checkpoint. I can save load it again if I want to. Yep. It just works. Boom. Go over here. I hope it only lags because of the stream, and off stream it's fine, because I remember it actually being... I mean, I don't remember it lagging off stream, so I think it should be fine. Because fuck, if I'm gonna make a video about this and the shit will lag in the video, it's not gonna be that cool. Okay, so it should spawn me like right here. Somewhere. What is the actual position of the player? It's from the center, so... Well, pretty much here. Okay, let's try it. F9. Why the fuck am I all the way over here? Oh, because I forgot to... because I changed it up. Save crouched. I don't know if you can hear the plane flying by, but it was. And it's still flying by. Anyway, what the fuck did it spawn me all the way over here instead of here? Save couch, save player pose itself. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah, because it didn't save the player pose itself, so it pushed me out. Let's try this once again. I think I can... I just gotta get it from here. And another plane. These fucking planes... Well, I'm fine with them flying in the day, but fuck. Some of them were flying at night today, and it was so fucking loud. Okay. We're almost there. Oh fuck, I said. Okay, let's hit F9 and... Perfect. I spawn where I want to. Actually, it would be cool to save the mouse position too. Like the camera position, I mean. Because what does... what is saved, I mean, in the camera? Camera 2D... the player mouse is getting moved... what am I saying? The camera itself doesn't move, the offset moves. I think. If I offset... No, it's for shakes. Here, offset. So yeah, if event is input event mouse motion and input get mouse mode, offset plus equals event relative. So event relative is how much the distance between the last mouse position and the new one. So just yeah, it changed the offset. So all I need to do is, I think, is just save the offset and set it up. So actually I can add this to the tool ref. What? Reference. Tool common reference. Get main func, let's say get main camera. camera movement controller, return, get tree, get first node in group, and the group in question is main camera. So that's all I need. Now I can actually replace this everywhere. Replace, find, no, actually Ctrl-Shift-R, replace hold up. Replace it with toRef dot get main camera. Just like this. Okay, let's besides this script, let's replace it everywhere. Reload. It should be working now. Yep. Okay. Then the checkpoint data we can quickly add. For player data we can also add var player camera pose offset pose type of vector 2. Well, so then checkpoint controller, save player data. So let's save camera position right here. So it's right after Mark's health. So new data dot player camera offset pose equals toRef dot get main camera dot offset. And we're just gonna make it like this. Camera offset pose. Camera offset pose. And then when we load it, load player data. So it was right after the main health. Now it's grenades. Start couched. Oh, max health. So here, player dot. Oh, not player. toRef dot get main camera dot offset equals last checkpoint data for camera offset pose. Actually, for the offset, open documentation. Set offset. Let's use set offset for this one and get offset. Set offset to this. Okay. So save player data. Here we're gonna call get offset. And let's see. The game looks interesting. It's gonna be a lot more interesting when I will actually start adding stuff to it. Where the fuck is it? Where am I? Am I host again? What happened? Oh yeah, because I'm in the darkness. I forgot. Boom, boom. It will become more interesting when I add sounds to it, which is actually the next thing that I'm going to do. And I think I'm gonna start doing it right away today. Once I'm done with this shit, I will start adding a bunch of sounds. So, okay, I got saved. Let's hit F9. And my camera offset is saved. So for example, if I move the camera all the way over there, and I hit F9, it works. Epic motherfucking games. So I guess I'm done with checkpoints completely for now. And I can put it inside of the long done list. Player's line of sight. Rest in peace. I don't use it because it's so fucking broken. Anyway, checkpoint system. Destroying. So all that's left to do is placeholder sounds for most of the stuff, hide AI's debugging visuals, which is pretty easy, and finish the level up to the crane arm part. This includes making falling debris over here, because the point of why are you moving to this vent is because you see a debris, a ceiling starts to fall over here, so you kinda act quick and go inside of this vent to hide. And once you go inside of it, the ceiling falls behind you. So, and also it requires this part. So this part, explaining it 20 times already, but what's gonna happen here is you will have two options how to engage in this situation. So you will you'll be climbing over here, you'll be like going here, and once you go over this trigger, this area will get revealed. You will see what's happening in this room, because it's kind of like you can see through the vent. So these two guys will be beating up, well, for now just standing around a dead security guard body. Like, I don't know, just poking at it or anything else. So yeah. And you will have two options how to engage them. Break this vent and jump to them right away, probably losing a bunch of health because of that. Because one of them has a pistol and the other one has a melee weapon. So yeah. Or you could go all the way over here, jump into this room, and activate this button, which will move a crane arm. I don't know how to visualize it, but crane arm, let's see. Not this one, more cartoony like. Hold on, I think I can just draw it. Yeah, if only ShareX was working here. Hold up. So, you will have a crane arm, like this, just hanging on top of them. It will be connected like into a rope of some sorts, a metallic rope, and it will be on a track, like this. So activating this button will make the crane arm attempt to move. Oh, I didn't know you can actually just change this thing. So the crane arm will attempt to move, but because the whole place explodes and goes to shit, like in Black Mesa, the crane arm will fail, the sparks will... there will be sparks flying out of it, and it will eventually fall down on top of these guys, probably killing them. But why? Probably because they can see you through this window. And if they see you, they will probably go, well, at least anywhere from this spot. So it's a trade-off. You can try playing it safe over here, which is actually more safe because you can hide behind the door and everything else. Or you can speedrun the shit and kill them right away. That's what finishing the level up to the crane arm part means. And yeah, after all of that I will start making a devlog out of all of this shit that I have been doing since the very beginning. But for now, I'm not ending the stream, I just need to shit real bad. Really bad. So I will leave you with a video of... hold up. I have an idea. Best Doom OST mix. Let's just take this. Just so you don't get bored. Hold up. Compilation. Okay. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. You couldn't hear me. Fuck, what is this motherfucker eating? It looks delicious. Anyway, of Perpetual Torment, yeah. I'm back. Yeah, you can leave, it's fine. I'm used to talking to myself to a single viewer, which is me, because I have the stream on my phone, because my second monitor is broken. Anyway, back to cooking. So I'm gonna be adding sounds today. Okay. What sounds? What sounds do I need to add? Let's see. Let's just play the game and figure out what sounds do I need. Because I already have walking, and that's basically it. Also, I need to make this shit quieter. Right. So I guess I will need a jumping sound. I already have a landing sound, kinda. So yeah, jumping sound and maybe a landing sound like, you know, cloth shuffling around. What else? What else? Picking up a weapon. Let's see. Let's make a list actually, notepad. So, sounds to add. Jump, land, picking up a weapon. Actually, I think I have a place for this sound, for picking up a weapon sound in weapon stats. Maybe. Weapon stats. What am I searching for? Weapon stats. Resource weapon stats. Yeah, draw sound. Draw sound is basically that. Because when you pick up a weapon, you play the draw animation, so... yeah. Drawing a weapon then, I guess. Drawing a weapon. Also, I need close to empty sound, which is a sound that plays when you are close to emptying your magazine. And then same thing for shoot empty is where you shoot your last bullet. Reload sound, reload empty sound, I don't need them. What else? Melee. Melee stats are pretty much the same. Oh yeah, attack sounds for melee. Attack 1 sound, attack 1 connect, attack 1 miss, attack 2 sound, attack 2 connect. Okay. So melee attack sounds. Well, mostly weapons, I guess. Let's maybe add some ambient sounds. Maybe ladder climbing sound. What else? Breaking a vent sound. Breaking glass sound. Hitting a vent. Hitting glass. Oh, actually, yeah. Concrete impact sound. So it's not hitting a vent, more as so concrete impact sound and concrete impact sound and metal impact sound. Then what else? Oh, maybe better footstep sounds. What else? Reveal sound. For when you reveal a room. And maybe flash hit sound. And I think that's gonna be it, because this is already plenty enough. Let me actually make them like this, so it's easier for me to see. Fuck. Better footsteps, reveal sound, flash hit sound. Okay, let's see now. Because they are placeholders, I don't really care about copyright right now, so I guess I'll just use some stuff like cloth swinging sounds, I guess. Cloth rustling, no, cloth movement, yeah. Yeah, I guess this can work. Also, I remember... fuck, it was on Telegram. How can I pull this up? Because I don't have Telegram. Hold up, I need to do this real quick. I have found a library of sounds before, which had a lot of footstep sounds. So let me find them real quick. Actually, I'm just afraid my fucking PC will explode if I switch users. I didn't prepare for this. Anyway. Firearm sound effects, no there. Shitty. Weapons and melee. Fuck, how do I... Oh yeah, game sounds.xyz. Here, okay, game sounds.xyz. Sounds.xyz. Here, and also free sounds flammable liquid. I'm not gonna use that. Free sounds cinematic sounds. Free sounds cinematic sounds. Maybe this one. No, not this one. Ghost hack, maybe. Not this one. Fuck. I have to buy... Whatever, I'll just use YouTube and this side for now. I'm not gonna go hard on this for now. What the fuck? Yeah. Anyway. Back to cooking. So, cool background. So I need stuff like... There was food... No? Maybe it was in BBC sound effects library. BCDE... Food... And just children crowds foods... Yeah, footsteps 1 and 2. We can use that. Emergency cats, construction. Horses and dogs. Greece. Greece? The country, I mean. Africa, hospitals, babies, China. Electronically generated sounds, actually. Explosions, guns, alarms. Let's see now. Explosions, guns, alarms. What can be here? So it's just burning of the fuel. Fountain fizz. Yeah, it's those stick things. Mine of serpents, Roman candle, thunder flash rocket. Those are not bad sounds actually. Oh, Chinese firecrackers. Ground mine. Not a bad sound. Yeah, this is a decent sound actually. But these are fireworks. 17 gelatine 3x8, all these sticks explode. It's just sticks. What about alarms? Electronic. Maybe whale. Yeah. And there's a lot of interesting sounds here. Gas operated rifle, let's see. Oh, it's a distant sound. And it also has the fucking hitting the metal target sound. single shot. I mean, they're realistic, but they're not. Yeah. Yeah, it's not like they put a microphone right up close to the fucking gun. It's from a distance. So yeah, I wouldn't look into this particular pack. What about this one? Nah. Okay, never mind. I hope these ones are fine. Actually need like gravel, because I don't need rock hard stone, I just need gravel, because concrete is not eco. Metal stairs. Why stairs? What? Is there no just... Oh, stone running. No, this is like old ass sounds that they used in fucking 80s movies, I don't know. Yeah, they are not really high quality. Yeah, they're very old. I'll have to look for other one. This one's actually pavement walking, yeah. Oh, this is more like it. I would actually put this onto the tiles. Like here. Although... Fuck, I think it's still like too clear. Like the character walks in fucking Hillsong, so... like, it sounds like the characters are walking in this shit. And not in actual, like, boots and stuff like that. No. Woman. Pavement. Fuck, they're all wearing... Not high heels, what are they called? The main variant, no. Country road, maybe this. Oh yeah, that's more like it actually. Yeah, okay, I think I can use this one. Let me just... Oh fuck. Let me just put them into... this folder. Departure. I'll just cut them up into a couple different sounds. Country road running. They're not running in any, like, normal shoes. Dead ACC, what does this mean? Weather. Industry. Miscellaneous. Siren. No. Fuck it. Let's start with clothes. Actually, do I have 4K downloader working here? Skip. Download audio, quality highest for Windows, save to my S. Save it here. So now let's get this video real quick. And let's see now. I think I'll have to pull up not FL Studio but something else. Actually, I think I can just pull up FL Studio. Yeah, let's try doing FL Studio. I only know that it's broken and it doesn't have all the plugins here. You can see I launch it and it thinks that I'm launching it for the first time. It's just because I have a different profile in Windows. Like, this is my main profile. I just want to have a different one for cooking. Shut up. Well, Unity is the main pros, I don't know how to call this. So the main thing about Unity is that it has been in development since 2005, and there are a shit ton of tutorials for it. And some people don't even upgrade to later versions. Like some people, for example, Ultrakill, I think it's still on Unity 2017. It haven't upgraded since. So this is a big thing for Unity, because if you have an issue, you just Google it, and most likely there will be a way to solve it. For Godot, on the other hand, it's kinda better in the engine terms of stuff. Like, it just works faster, a lot faster. You can prototype and put things together a lot faster. But the cons of that is that there is not much of documentation. There are a lot of times when I have an issue, I Google it, and there are either no answers at all, or just the information is outdated, because Godot gets updated like all the time. And for example, the jump from Godot 3 to Godot 4, which is the main thing right now, like here, it's Godot version 4.2, is a big one. And there needs to there is a whole like migration guide from Godot 3 to Godot 4, so just stuff to know about what changed and what not. So yeah. But I don't think I will be using Unity anytime soon, because I just don't like how slow it is. It's really fucking slow. Like, just just booting up a empty scene like this one. If I just press F6, well, it's a bit slower now because my game is big, but you see how fast it was. It gave me an error because, yeah, it's outside of the actual game environment, but it was a lot faster than Unity. In Unity, sometimes I had to wait like almost a minute to boot up a scene. And my PC isn't that bad. I had Unity on SSD, on all of that shit. But anyway, does FL Studio work? I need anything. Okay, the sounds work. Hope. Okay, the sounds work. Sorry for the ear rape. Okay then, guess I can work with this shit in FL Studio. I have to make the music quieter for this, so I can hear the stuff. I've actually made games on Unity before. There's a game called hold up, Vidog itch.io. Calling news by Vidog, yeah. What? Why did I get fucking porn games right away? Anyway, so this was my first, like, finished game on Unity. It fucking sucks ass in terms of the gameplay. It's so boring. Like, you have to... There are certain words like found, Kamchatka, that you have to change. And like you're the guy that edits the news. You're the news editor, and you're getting paid to kind of change up the words a bit. And depending on how much different the word is from the previous one, like for example, leave and kill are very different words. Like the one is very kind, the other one is, well, kill. So you get money depending on you get a certain amount of money depending on this difference, and also you lose reputation. Like the more different the word is, the more reputation you lose. So in the end, the goal is to not starve to death, which is why you need the money to buy this $45 burger, which is a shit ton of money. And yeah, in the end, you need to kind of balance out your reputation not being so bad, and you also need to survive. It was a pain in the ass to figure most of the stuff out, but it was a helpful experience. But anyway, I don't want to go back to Unity ever again. I just... sometimes I want, actually, but I think if I actually go back to it, I will kill myself. This was the tutorial. It's like a power presentation, a PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation, I mean. Anyway. Here we are. So for jumping... I think this one can do, but I just need it to be a bit shorter. Okay. It needs to be a lot louder. Or maybe this can work for landing, actually. What if I reverse it? Like, where was it? Make unique a sample. Yes. Okay, and now if I reverse it... I think this can work as a jump sound, actually. Fuck. For example, if you take it with a walk, I mean a footstep sound. Like this one, holy fuck, they are so quiet. These sounds. Motherfuckers record them and don't edit them at all. So make unique a sample. What if we combine them? Oh yeah, it works fine actually. But it actually sounds more like a tall fall, which I do have in game. Let me kinda demonstrate it, like right here. So there is a threshold for how long you are falling. So a simple jump is considered a tall fall. Like, you can see the character playing the fall animation. The land animation, I mean. And the camera shakes a bit. But if we How do I demonstrate this actually? Oh yeah, I know. If the fall is small like this, there's no animation playing. So I think this sound would actually fit the the land animation. Combined with the footstep sound, which will be played automatically. So I think this can be the fall sound. Maybe even like this, yeah. Okay, now, can I export this bitch? Could I actually export it? I know there is an issue where you... Oh no, I can just make unique as sample, probably. So let's call it land dot. I'll have to convert them later anyway. So this is the land sound. But I still don't like how... I don't really like these footsteps. Fuck, I'd be better off recording them myself actually. I have a whole fucking set of abandoned buildings right next to where I live, so I can just go there and record it. So for now let's just make land and jump sounds. What if I get this one and reverse it? Make unique sample, jump, and reverse it. Start it from here. Needs to be actually a bit softer. Yeah, I guess this can do. Make unique sample. Can I just overwrite it? Land, yes. And this as jump. Okay. Then as for falling, let's get... fuck. Let's get some... what else did I write down? Jump and driving... driving weapon. Let's work on better footsteps right now. It's a concrete footsteps sound effect. Yeah, this is what I've been talking about. Actually, I can combine the previous sounds with this one just to add a bit of punch to them. So yeah, okay, let's get this one. And let's also add a metallic footstep sound effect. Well, not this one. And then not this one too. Let's do default. This one can work. Let's see. Date modified. Don't need this shit, don't need this, don't need this. Size, type. So footsteps walking on concrete. Walking on solid metal. Okay. I will need them later for weapon rolling sounds. Pulse movement, whatever. Let's add back this one. I'll just use them to add a bit of impact or punch to the walk sound. 4 motherfuckers watching. Welcome. 4 cookers. Okay. So walking on solid metal. I think I will just grab this one. This one. And 2 of these. Okay. So let's work with them a bit. I think all that's need to be done is just normalize them to be the same volume. And cut off the ends. Like that. Okay. And I'll just fade them out a bit. Tin. No. These ones are kinda loud. Maybe I need to again add some shuffling to them. Which we can get from here. Holy fuck, it's so quiet. You're welcome. I would want to grab this. Maybe this and awake. Let's duplicate them. And now let's make them unique as sample and just add them to here. Make them quieter. Only need the after sound actually. Wait. Yeah, just stuff like this. And do the same for this one. Yeah, because these ones are too clean for my liking. They actually maybe a bit quieter. Yeah, okay. Now, how the fuck do I export? Can I export? I know there's an issue in FL Studio where when you export, there's a bit of how to call this? A bit of empty space in the beginning. It's called footstep footstep metal 1. Save. So song selection, cut remainder, dithering. Okay, let's see. I just know there's gonna be a thing. Let's open it up with Audacity, which I need to fucking find one again. Audacity. It's installing plugins. Okay. Anyway, let's... What? Oh, I didn't need the fucking plugin. Who the fuck uses plugins in Audacity? Whatever. Oh, there is no empty space in the beginning, okay. Then I guess we're fine. We can just continue exporting. Export OGG. Export metal 2, start. Then do the same. Metal 3. Metal 4. And metal 5. And we can already imagine how this is gonna sound like with land sounds. Like if you combine the land sound with the footstep, you can make a story, I don't know. Like our character runs, jumps, and then lands. I think it sounds fine. Yeah. Okay. Guess that's it for concrete sounds. Can just put them here. And this is jumping. So, oh, concrete, I mean metal. So as for these ones, the guy has noise in his recording. This one is fine. This one is 2. How many I have? I have 4. Let's find another one. This one. This is the wave shape I'm looking for. Okay, and we can get rid of this shit. And then... so let's cut them up. So this is going to be concrete, but in the lab area, actually, this is not concrete, this is lab tiles. So they will need to be a bit more punchy, like, we'll just combine it with this. Because this is like too clean for me, this is too dirty to be a lab tile, so I'll just combine them both and I think it will be fine. Wait, I have 4, not 5. Oh no, I have 5. Okay, and now I just add a bit of this. And this. And this. Okay, let's see now. Just make them louder. Maybe make these ones quieter. Yeah, that's more like it. So yeah, we can export these ones and call them tiles. Footstep tile 1. PP. Footstep tile 2. Footstep tile 3. Tile 4 and tile 5. So these are tile footsteps. I'm just gonna duplicate them right now and make concrete footsteps. Which is gonna be the opposite way. The concrete sound will be louder and the tile sound will be quieter. Because I still want a bit of impact on them. So like this, shit will be 20 dB. Just making sure it doesn't sound too familiar. Still kinda does. Maybe. Yeah, I think it sounds fine now. Yeah, okay. Still sounds pretty familiar, but I can change it later if I want. Footstep tile, concrete 1. So for this demo, I think I will be only using metal and tile sounds because I don't have concrete anywhere. Concrete 2. Concrete 3. Concrete 4. And concrete 5. Okay. What else? What else? We have footsteps. Driving a weapon close to empty sound. So this is all for weapons. Ambient. Making event, breaking a glass, hitting glass. I guess we can just change it up to be glass impact sound. Real sound, flash hit sound. This can go under impacts too. So, well, let's firstly apply the sounds that we already have, which are these ones, footsteps, and also jump and land. I need to convert them to Islam. I mean, I need to convert them to OGG. And there is no option to... Audacity. Walking on sand, yeah, because it's similar kind of walking on sand, because you have a lot of grains on the floor from all of the concrete and shit, so it's kind of similar to that. Sound would be a lot smoother, though. Anyway. Export audio. OGG. Player, jump. Oh, hold up. Export audio. I can just call it like that, multiple files. This enables track names. No, not there. Export. Okay, now we have... So this is the jump. So this is the land. Jump. Land. So we have all of these sounds. Okay, now. Scenes, scripts, assets, sounds. Set the player. And we're gonna put the player sounds here. Okay. My ears burn. Player and footsteps. Footstep, all this shit. Okay. I already have footsteps. And I once again named it photo to steps. Let's remove these. Okay, I don't remember how I did footstep sounds. I mean, how are they coded in? I don't remember that shit. Let's see. What I remember is that it was in animations. For example, walk. Oh yeah, footstep player. Just Control Shift F, footstep. No, Control Shift F, I mean. Footstep. Oh, there's a footstep player. So I have a whole script for this. So concrete metal. I also need tile. Concrete wood metal tile. What about the sounds themselves? Oh, here, concrete sounds. The sound does not exist anymore. Anyway, so can I just? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. So these are concrete sounds. Then I need an array for metal sounds, tile sounds, wood sounds. I don't have wood. Metal sounds. Let's add it here. And tile sounds. This. Okay, now how is it determined what I'm stepping on? Current step material. How does this get determined? I don't remember. Find match current step material. So I think by default it's concrete, right? Yeah, I think by default it's concrete. I mean, I can do an easy check, like make a hitbox under the player that constantly checks for what
Somewhere under Nevada.
What kind of material we are stepping on. Drug penguin. What? Hold up. Almost show my stream key. Hello, great streamers. Hi there, hello, you seem to be having a great time streaming and I really like your video. To be having... which you played really well. What? And I really like your video, which you played really well. However, I noticed that there may be a setup issue with your channel, which could be causing low performance. Fortunately, I have a great suggestion for you that will increase the effectiveness of your channel by connecting to the Twitch algorithm and building a strong fan base. You can add me on Discord to have a more productive conversation. I go by this. There's an incredible urge to add this motherfucker on Discord and send him a huge, preferably a cock of a African American person into his DMs. Well, yeah, but for now I think I will just do it for the wine. Just like that. Anyway, continuing with the shit. So I guess I need a function func change. No, function check food step material. Let's just do it like this. And the way I'm gonna do this is by instant material concrete. Let's add an export var food step checker, and it's gonna be an area TD. So what a food step checker will do is first of all it's gonna be the player. Let's see his collision. This is the player's collision. Just add area TD food step checker. Collision shape. It's just gonna be a 3x3. Let's make it 5x5, I guess. And put it all the way over here at the very bottom. So this checker will only check for... What is it gonna check for? It's gonna check for ground, it's gonna check for one-way platform. And I don't think it's gonna be checking for anything else. Maybe for breakables also. Yeah, if the player is hitting a breakable, is walking on a breakable, But anyway, so the way that it's gonna be checked is by if footstep checker dot get overlapping bodies the size is greater than 0, so if we are standing on something, then our object equals footstep checker get overlapping bodies, the very first object in the list. So how are we gonna check this is by I have a way to spawn decals based on the material of the collider. So I think it was not decal but effect, muzzle effect, not muzzle effect. No, where was the process bullet? Pull impact spawner here. So I have a way to spawn impacts. Impact concrete and impact metal I have for now. How is it? How it's checked is by, let's add here also concrete tile, and it's gonna spawn a concrete impact too. So how is it checked? It's checked by getting a material. The material is, well, for example, if the collider is tile map, I think I can just copy all of this. Yeah, I think I can copy all of this shit. Just a player. So collider. Let's call it collider. Fuck. My nose is itchy for some reason. So I don't need impact to spawn, but so if collider is tile map, then coordinates collider get coords for body RID, and then for RID not declared in the current scope. How can I get an RID? Fuck, I don't want to raycast for this shit. Oh, it's a collider. A collider should have an RID, no? Hold up. Collider. Get collider RID. Thematic collision. Can I just var RID equals collider dot get collider RID. So this should be RID. So we get the exact tiles material, or if it's not a tile, then based on this shit, and then based on what name the material has, we decide what step material to choose. So current step material equals step material dot concrete. Here it's fuck. Here it's tile. Tile. And here it's gonna be metal. Okay. No, I don't think this is gonna work. But anyway, check for step material. So we're gonna call it right before we decide to play anything. Right before we select a random sound. Final sounds for wood is gonna be wood sounds, but we won't have wood. For metal is gonna be metal sounds. And for tiles, you guessed it, it's gonna be piece sounds. Tile sounds. For fuck's sake. Tile sounds. So let's see if this works. First of all, if footstep checker and footstep checker get weapon bodies. Not weapon. Oh my god, I pressed F6. Oh. Easy. Hold up. Where am I? Oh, right. Let's take a step. Non-existent function get collider RD in base static body 2D. How the fuck do I get an RD of a collider? Fuck, I don't want to cast a raycast so bad. I might have to. I don't know. I don't know, I don't like casting raycasts at all, but I guess I'll have to, okay. Then, let me put this thing a bit further up. And make it like this. Just so there will be some distance above the ground. And well... Oh my god. Okay. So get a routing body size is equal 0. We cast a raycast for this shit. Raycast or hit list or hit dictionary. Hit list. So dictionary for recasting should, so not mouse global position, but footstep checker dot global position direction. It's gonna be fuck. How much actually? For, let's say, multiplied by 4. So it's gonna be. Is it direction or is it destination? Because I don't remember. Final origin, final direction. So it's direction. From 2. No, 2 is the actual destination. So okay. Global position plus. So down is plus y. So plus vector 2 0 4. Let's set 5. So it's gonna be this one plus 5 pixels down on the Y, and then get collision mask. We're just gonna do footstep checker, get collision mask, exclusion list, no exclusion list, penetration level 1. Okay. And let's just print it out for now. Not the player. That's not really a bug. I kinda knew it's gonna happen. 0, 0, 8, 0. Okay, that's to be expected. So yeah, hit 0 is tile map, which is funny because epoch, which is correct because war collider. Okay, so then we can just do hit list 0 and dot collider, and RID is gonna be dot RID. Let's see now if it works, because I think it should. There's nothing stopping it now, probably. You never know. Let's see. Oh! It works. So this is supposed to be concrete, I guess. Right? Yes, I think it's concrete. You can check it now. Level player. What's the player? Current step material 0, which is concrete, yeah. This is not supposed to be a concrete, by the way. This is supposed to be metal, but it works. Okay, then I just need to quickly set up some materials. Let's see. So for red lab, web tile. How did I actually do this? I think I had like, oh yeah, I had custom data layers. Okay. So for this, this can be called concrete, by the way. Let's see. Paint, custom data material concrete, and let's just paint all of this shit with concrete, so that when you shoot it, you will have concrete flying out. This is concrete 2. This is web tile, so tile. Okay, and this is concrete. Here. Okay, now we have a lot of concrete, we have tile. Is it actually called tile? Yeah, tile. Okay, now I need metal, which is not present in red lab, but in yellow lab, which is this one. So concrete, there's no concrete in this lab. There's none. Only have tile, which is all of this shit. And then, what else? This is considered concrete, but I'll call it metal. Oh no, actually this one doesn't count because I set up the materials not in tilemap. So in tilemap only this will have the material. For these ones, it's... Fuck, let's actually call this one... Yeah, it's concrete, okay. These ones are static bodies, which are one-way platforms, yeah. Collision shape, one-way storage. So one way. So all of them are basically metal one ways, except for this one, maybe because this is supposed to be like a concrete stairway. So I guess this one. It's this one. So this is metal. So all of them are metal except for well, basically these ones only. Okay. Then let's just select all of them. Vent shaft one way. This is gonna be tile. These ones. Physics material override, quick load. Concrete metal, yeah, metal. These ones are concrete. Okay. Oh yeah, actually, the vent shaft one way is supposed to be tile, not concrete. Making my mind is empty. Web tile, but it's supposed to be called tile, not web tile. Just tile. Also, let's make the orange thing a metal material, because I use the orange texture for ventilation shafts. So I guess you can call them metal. Okay, it's in the yellow lab. I think. Now metal. All of this is metal. Also, this thing is supposed to be tile, actually, because it's a piece of floor from the upstairs. So, dropping ceiling, physics material override, it's gonna be concrete. Oh no, it's gonna be... No, let's actually leave it at concrete, because it's like, it has a bunch of debris on top of it, rocks and shit. So it's gonna be crusty. Well, now, I think we can test all this out from the beginning. From here. It should be working now. Oh my god. Epic Games. Why is it so? Hitless 0 collider. Out of bounds get index 0. So the collider returns 0. What? Did it return 0? It returned 0 for some reason. Okay, let's just do it. If hit list dot size keys dot size is equal to 0, then return. Why the fuck would it be 0? I don't know, but okay. Why is it 0 all the time? Why is it returning 0 now? What's up with it? Maybe I need to increase the distance. 15. I don't think it still checks it well. Tile. It just randomly has metal over here. What? Concrete. So the default one will be concrete. I still don't know why does it return 0 everywhere. Wait. What's up with this one? Collision shape. One-way ceiling. So this one is supposed to be tile actually, not metal. But why does it produce different sounds? Like what the fuck? What tile? It's metal. Lab tile. Tile. I still don't get why is it randomly. What about the dropping ceiling? Hold up, let me actually see. Show player collision boxes. Oh, let me load up the checkpoint. It's 8 p.m. in your place, it's only 3:50 in mine. So... oh, hold up, I wanted to F11. Show player collision box. It should be hitting the platform. It doesn't. It doesn't even check for it. What the fuck? No, it doesn't even check. This is supposed to be metal. What fucking tile? Where does it get tiles? What tile map? What? Where does it get tile maps from? Hold up. Yo, web. Do these things have collision on them? I don't remember them having it. Physics layer. No, they don't have collision, then why the fuck does it return a tile map to me? What? What fucking tile map? It's not a tile map. Tile map. Where? 5, let me create a fucking sprite. An empty sprite with a, I don't know, gear joint. At position 5824 minus 1453 172. And where is it? Where? You know, it might be wrong. It's getting the positions. Well, now I know why. I think this thing, which is footstep checker, this is supposed to be a direction, not... Oh, right, because final direction is calculated from origin plus direction, so I just need to provide the direction, not the destination. Okay, now it should work now. Yeah. Okay, it checks everything correctly now. I can press F11. And... footstep player. And just remove this. So this is style. It doesn't even play land sound when I do this. Okay, now we climb up here and it's supposed to be metal. Alright. Okay. And here it's supposed to be metal too. Yeah, it's actually metal. Here it's tiles, concrete, once again. So, okay, yeah, it does work. Finally. Although now I would need to make landing sounds, jump and land. Which is a pretty simple task. I just need to have them on the player, I guess. Node sounds. audio string RTD. I think I would need to make buses already. I have a bus for UI. Let's make SFX general SFX. Just so I don't have to go over all of the sounds later and change them up. General SFX. Same for footstep sound. Footstep player, I mean. General SFX. Also, by the way, I need to add this thing to the enemies too, because they don't have it right now. Okay. Just right here, yeah. Oh no, right here. Okay, now they have a footstep checker. Okay, what else? The weapons probably need to be on the same bus. Shoot sound player and the generic audio string player, they need to be on the same bus. General SFX. Okay. Hold up, let me check something real quick. Oh my god. Oh no. What? Hold up. It's about my job. Goddamn. Anyway, back to cooking. Hold up. Okay. So, as I was doing, all this should be in general suffix. Also, a grenade, pin, pull, throw. This is the general suffix. Ctrl Shift O. Then also melee weapon. All of this should be in general suffix too. And what about the shrapnel explosion also? Oh, shrapnel grenade explosion. Because there should be a sound, emit sound. Enemy human, no, it's a noise. Bomb, it needs to be a bomb script. Tool sound, spawn sound here. Tool sound. Think, well, generally it should be a new sound emitter, bus. It should be general suffix for most of the stuff. If I'm spawning a sound, then it's probably like an explosion, an effect, or something like that. So, yeah. So I think they all can go under the general suffix bus. Anyway, player. So sounds, jump, land, general suffix, player jump, land. Pretty easy stuff. Then you just components, sounds, an idea. A jump point. Got that sound at the beginning. Jump. Okay, so jump sound jump don't play. And where do I have land? I think I have it maybe in the animation. Animate land. If landed. If waited enough time to be considered a complete fall, so the player doesn't play the full animation from small falls. So this is the moment where the player lands, actually. So I guess I'll just play land sound land dot play, and let's see now. Okay. Sounds perfect. Блин. Kinda forgot. Doesn't play now for some reason. It doesn't play anymore. Why? Jump. What's up with that? Sound won't play well. Wait, none of them are playing anymore. Maybe because I need to stop them? Have to playing. Play. Maybe I actually need to stop them. The sound. So, sound went. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why, because they don't fucking follow the player. Because it's a node. It's not a node 2D, it doesn't have a position. And it needs to have a position. So it follows the player. Should be working now. Let's, I don't know, let's just put it into the player's legs. Or whatever. Okay. See now? Okay. Is the player walk on land? Is the land DB? I think it needs to be a lot louder. Oh, I don't have different DBs. Oh no, I do. Hold up. Player. Land DB. Why is it -4? And the music stopped. Land actually needs to be 4. Needs to be louder. Okay. 10, maybe. Actually make them a lot quieter. Especially the jump sound, it's too loud. So this now gives a lot more impact to the whole thing. Because of the sounds. Okay, anyway, this works. This fucking works. Hold up, let me check the thing again. Okay. Business is done. Anyway. Continuing with this shit. What was that again? Draw in a weapon, close to empty sound, shoot empty sound, melee attack sound. It should be pretty easy. Let's just grab something from, I don't know, like Call of Duty or something. I'm not gonna make custom sounds for now. I will then in the future, of course. Why the fuck is my stream buffering on my phone? Is it still going? Donald Trump, save us or something. Oh no. Oh no, is my upload speed shit? No! No! I'm getting DDoSed again. Fuck. No. My download speed is fine, my upload speed is dog shit. Right? My upload speed is 2 megabits. Holy